So now we're going to take a look at how to reuse a Facebook ad. A lot of my videos go in there and show you how to build different things in Facebook, how to build buyer's ads and all that kind of stuff. Once you have one, like this is a most popular home in the area ad, things like that. Once you have it and it's ready to go and you want to use it again, say I ran it, this was only a draft, so you see there's no like results or anything. So if this was not just a draft and I actually ran it, I'd be like, ooh, this is great. I want to run this. I want to get it again. I want to get these same results. If I go here to the left, let me get my little bar out of the way for you. If I go all the way over here and check this little checkbox next to it, I can go to the clock, the top here, and just click duplicate. And then it says, do you want to duplicate what? I want to do the original campaign and keep everything the same and make one copy of that. And then boom, there it is right there. Now it duplicated everything, as you can see. Most popular home will say copy, as you can see, copy right here. So I could change it if I wanted to, change the name. Everything else is the same. Now I do need to change the end date because you can't have something in the past. So I'm in that second section. It's jumping down here. So let's say I was going to go to August 1st. And then I was going to start here. Oh, that was my end date. Whoops. So I was going to do August 1st. And then I was going to stop on August 3rd, for example. And now you see the red is gone. So that's really simple. Took care of that. Don't have to worry. I'm still at my same budget for $20 a day. The only other thing you might want to do here at the top where it says 2 ads, if you come in here and check it out, I have this home right there. If I was going to do a different home, I can come down to where it says add creative and see here's best homes under 355,000. I can delete this picture and then go to add media, add image. And then when I pull in an image, I can grab one. Let's say this was the home or land that I was looking at selling. I can grab this image. Looks great. I'm going to throw it in. And then boom, there it is. Now this would be the image that you would see on your free valuation for your home when they're looking for it. And of course, this part here is down here. It looks like that because that's your landing page or your create a lead form. And you'd pick the lead form, like right here. This one would be under buyers at a certain price. And I would pick one. And then boom, you'd be good to go. Let's say I use this one, ready to go. All I did was copy it. I already had everything else done. Then go down, it even has my tracking still turned on. And then I would hit publish. And it's that simple to copy the ad. Again, all you have to do is go to the top middle. And then right here, you would open it up. You would change it. And then I think they're saying I was in 2 ads. So let me fix that. I'm going to edit each ad. And then we'll just go right here, the copy one. And we can make that happen. Here it is. So uncheck that one and just keep that one. And then I want to just have this ad copy. And then here it lets me drop through it and check it all out again. So the biggest thing, let me close that out and reopen it. The biggest thing you can see here is all you have to do is come in, change the dates, like it says to change the date, and that's in this middle section at the top. Go back to the top, click here, go down, change the picture, make sure your picture's good, your date's good, everything's all right. Move out of there. And then of course you'll pick your landing page, which is, they call it an instant form, and you'd have it right there ready to go. And I picked one that was already done. We have a bunch in here. And then you can run your ads without, once you have an ad built and you're good and you like it and you're getting results, you don't have to rebuild the whole thing in the back end of Ads Manager. And some of you will be asking, how the heck do we even get here? So if you go to your Facebook and open it up, we should have done this at first, but that's okay. And then on the left-hand side, you go to See More, and then you go to Ads Manager. And then you're just going to load it up, boop, and there it is. And then, of course, if you have a couple accounts like me, make sure you're in the right account. And then you're in Ads Manager and you're ready to rock and roll. I can hit create, I can do whatever I want. And then I would go here. If I don't see anything, I would Ads Manager and just knock it out. But I'm ready to go here and ready to create my ads. So these are good to go. If you want to get in here, you just make an ad. The hard part is making the ad. I have a couple videos walking you through how to do different. I think I have a buyer ad and a couple other ones. So you can build your ad, have it ready. And then if you want to run it for a couple of weeks, which you should, after your 2 or 3 weeks is over, if you want to keep going, you can expand the close date or just duplicate it and start it up again. Either way works good. That's an easy way to continue to do your ads and get revenue coming in without having to worry about rebuilding the whole thing. That takes a lot of time and effort. Hope that's helpful with that simple trick. Talk to you soon.